Here's today's tutorial. It is this Western heart, which is perfect for Valentine's Day. So you're going to need a couple things to do this. You're going to need the Cowboy hat SVG from Etsy, which I'll link below. You're going to need the Cowboy heart Freshie mold from Natollie, and code SAVE will save at checkout there. And then you're also going to want some kind of a pattern to use on the hat. So I got all my designs from Creative Fabrica. So I just googled Valentine seamless. I found this one that I liked, and then I downloaded it. So first things first, you're going to go in and you're going to upload all of those files to Cricut Design Space. I started with the hat, and it will default to a cut image since it's an SVG, so then you can just name it whatever you want and then click upload so that it uploads to your space. Then you're going to do the same thing and upload your pattern, but you're going to upload it as a print then cut so the pattern stays. Then you're going to add both of these to your canvas so that they are there for you to use. Okay, so now you can see my pattern and you can see the hat. I'm going to go ahead and put the sizes up that you'll need for the hat so that you can set yours to be the right size. If you're already familiar with Cricut, then you can just stop right here. Please comment or like if this video helped you. That helps boost my videos. If you're not familiar with Cricut, then stick with me and I'll keep walking you through the rest. I'm going to send my pattern to the back so I can see it. Then if you look over here at these cowboy pieces, I am going to weld together the two that are the lighter brown color. I did that by clicking on both of those pieces and then going down and saying weld. So that keeps them as one unit. Then I'm going to click the weld, click my pattern, and click the slice button, and that is going to cut out the pattern. So then you can delete the extra pieces and you're going to be left with just that pattern piece. Then you can do the same exact thing with the cowboy hat, the brim, and the band across the middle. You can weld those together just so that they stay as a piece and slice together. So I'm going to do that for you first. And then you can go in and you can change these to whatever color you want. So it's already on print and cut, and then you can just play around. You could also do patterns. You could do really anything that you're going for as possible, which is really nice. Sometimes I'll look up a glitter design online and upload a glitter design and use that. Then once you're ready to go, you're going to want to make sure you flatten it. That way it only cuts around the edge of your piece, and then save your project. Once you've done that, you're ready to go ahead and print and cut, and then you can flip it face down in your mold like I've done here, and you can bake your Freshie with it, and then it will be nice and secure. Thank you so much for watching. If you do go ahead and use this tutorial to make some Freshies, I have a Facebook group linked down below, and I would love to see your work. So go ahead and join it and post some pictures of what you've made.